Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Bank flip. Caught him slipping. Can't catch him if you ain't fishing. First catch. Big old blacks. Get the net, Corey. Whopper. Sheesh. YouTube. Yeah. Ooh, look at that thing. Frank. Bro got house, right? There it is. Wow. The biggest lure I've ever seen. What's up, YouTube? Oh. Turn up. Grab, share, and all that. Nice. Woo, the bambino! YouTube! What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Troll out here at a secret location. A little after work special. See if I can get on any action. A little bit tired, so forgive my energy today. If you're first time to the channel, I'd like it if you consider subscribing. Drop a like if you like the video. Can't catch them if you ain't fishing. Let's go. Give me a good old fight with a nice slobber donkey. One good one so I can go in the house. Edit. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. I feel like I should be throwing that swim bait, but I'm kind of scared too. So many snags out here you can get on. Here's one. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a pretty decent one. That was a pretty decent one. I'll get this one more cast and I'm gonna throw that swim bait out there. Hell with it. Bought it. That's what I bought it for. Throw this swim bait around for a couple seconds. Just to test my luck. Why not? This is the Stoneman's custom made shad. Nice and ribbed. This one is my Albu Garcia Black Max, and I got it on a Berkeley Shock 7-foot medium fast, medium mod fast. I don't even know what that means. That's no glory. There's something big over there chasing bait though. I just don't want to get snagged. Oh, really as fast as I can. No way! No way! On the top water! No way! Let's go! On the Stoneman lure. I told you it was something big chasing stuff over there. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Caught him slipping. Caught him slipping. Look at that, right on that Stoneman. You see it. Signature lure, baby. Hey. Chill, bro. For real though. All these troubles up in your mouth. You got to chill. Just settle down. On that Stoneman lure. Got him. Got him. I was just reeling that thing across the top of the water too, guys. He hit that on the top water. I'm going to consider that one a top water hit. All right, buddy. Back you go. That was cool though. I told y'all there was something big chasing bait over there. And he wasn't big, but decent fish nonetheless. And my first fish on the Stoneman. Custom made from my homie. Yo, check that out. Check that out with the red eye. Stoneman Sons. That presentation, guys, that fast reeling on top of the water presentation, that's the way Mike Buka says he uses his baby shad, his baby bull shad. Fast on top of the water, just like that. Okay. Mission accomplished with this, if you ask me. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Bank flip. Yes, sir. Another one on this stone, man. We ain't playing. We ain't playing. Another one on that stone, man, bruh. Another. Look at that. Look at that. It's in his mouth. Caught him slipping. Another one on that stone, man. That one a little bit bigger. It's number 2 on that stone man lure. On that Stoneman Son's lure. Custom made. Not a bad one either. I would say about 1.5 pounds. Nice little after work shot, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Can't catch me if you ain't fishing. Another one. Thank you for being a part of this channel. There's a nice one. Nice little after work special. There we go. All right, girl. Back in there to your mama. All right, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad. 2 for 2 on the bull shad, on the little Stoneman Swimbait. Yes, sir. 2 for 2. Yep. That was fun. Let's see if there's any more out there. No way. Okay. I was about to say, bro. Good old tree pounder. That Joe had me thinking, boy. Good old tree pounder. Well, Stoneman lure, you have definitely did your trick today, sir. Go back to this little grasshopper lure. I still want to see if I can get one off of this. It's a little later now. Maybe, you know, the real bugs are coming out because they're definitely flying all over. No way. I got one on the little, I got one on the little grasshopper. Little dink on the grasshopper. Hey, there we go. We're not getting skunked at all today, guys, on no lures, damn it. There we go. There's a nice little guy. That's okay, though. Nice little one on the little grasshopper. Yes, there we go, guys. Little dinkster, cutesy patootsy. Not too bad little day. You were hungry, bud. You tried to eat that little thing. Little dinkster, little dinkster. Nice little dinkster on the sunset. Never hurt nobody. Back you go, little bud. There we go. Cricket got the job done. Only got a few more casts to go before it's gonna start getting dark out here. You probably can't see me. I don't even think I can really cast this. Oh, got one on the jerkbait. Got one on the little jerkbait. Oh, yes. My first jerkbait fish. Boy, oh boy, it is the first time kind of day. It's the first kind of day today. And I kept on saying I won't play around with the treble hooks, but I'm still throwing them. Not too bad on the after work day. 2 decent ones and 2 little dinksters. Not too bad. On that dock, got that on the Odds Pro kit. Not too bad. One more little dingster for the road. Off another lure, guys. That is off that Odds Pro jerkbait. Not too bad, sir. Nice after work special. On the sunset, we're gonna call it a day. Had a couple little dingsters, few dingsters, a couple decent ones out here on the little secret honey hole local. Happy to just be out enjoying the scenery and catching some fish. It's always fun, and I always want to just go out and have fun. So appreciate you guys for joining another episode of Trollin on RVA. If you like what you've seen today, please do me a favor and drop a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell, please. Dog eat dog out here, so we got to keep growing. All right, let's keep growing. Let's keep showing. Can't catch him if you ain't fishing. Shout out to the Troll Nation. We are